Ready?
Hey guys, this is the house Wes Craven gave me after doing the films.
Why the hell did you not tell us? I was stuck in my crappy apartment with this slow-mo.
Sorry guys. My wife's been kinda mad that I've been
Who,
staying
Carrie?
with you guys.
Well, I thought he did her.
Well, you know, she's a slut.
Hmm. Mike, what are you doing? Oh, whoa, that's an interesting plant. What kind of plant is that?
No clue. Oh, Yoda hand plant.
Yoda hand plant.
Yoda hand production. Yeah, so, Mikey, how things been? Wait, where's Jason? Oh. How the hell did you get in there?
I don't know. I swear to God, I just lost in. Help me, goddamn you.
Wow, Johnny. Wait.
Oh my God.
Maybe we should lock him in.
Oh, no,
Yeah.
no. Oh God, help me, help me.
Oh, he's locked in.
Please, please. I have to visit my mommy at 5 o'clock. No, don't leave me in here. I'm claustrophobic. Oh my God.
Wow, he's so dumb he locked himself in.
Yeah, what? What?
Nothing. Aw.
You sons of...
So, Jason, where's LetherFace been?
I think he's at his parents. They're having Mexican.
Oh, I hope they don't get,
Gassy.
swine.
Yeah. I didn't get gassy either. Huh. Ah, I hate when it rains.
Yeah. Hey, aren't you, afraid of water?
Maybe. What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh God.
This is,
Oh God. No.
Fredo, and we're gonna be, scaring the out of Jason. Here, let's beat him up. Hey, Jason, don't be a wussy.
No. I will not go in there. Because I don't want to suffer what happened to me when I was freaking 11.
Hey, looks like Predator's having a good time.
What do you mean, Predator? He's just a guy.
Having a good time over there, Predator and Jason?
I'm a little scared of him.
Why?
Oh God.
Fight! I got money on Jason! Mikey, what about you?
You're a stupid dog. Forget that I'm an outside creature. And you're just a... What? It's a good thing I escaped from that bastard predator.
Yeah. Arnold killed him.
Yeah. He's too busy being a stupid Republican.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey! You people are convicted murderers. I'm gonna have to turn you in.
Mikey, I need your help. Stop shooting, it's no use.
Why?
This is getting too gory. I think Michael had too much fun.
Mike, where were you when... Oh, you were scoring with the Bride of Frankenstein? Frankie must be pissed.
Nice. You're the biggest player in the world, man. Tip my hat to you.
Oh yeah? Well, I scored with chicks too. The only thing you did was little girls.
Well... Go to therapy.
Yeah, we'll continue to go to therapy.
This is Freddy, and this is the end of the show, guys.
Yeah, don't forget me. Sauce.
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 Sauce.